we are doing consonant blends, and previously we did L blends family words like b, h, f, g, m, p, like that, right? Now we are going to do S family blends. Now how to do it? Let's get started. S is also a consonant and C is also a consonant. So we will blend their sounds and form a new set of sound that we call it as consonant blend of S family. Why S family? As I told you that in L blends, L was common. Here S is common in all the blends, right? So let's begin to read it, okay? Read after me. S, s, and k, sk, s, and k, sk, sk, s, and k, sk. Now here the sound is similar, but when to use sk and when to use this k, of course we will do it in our next video, that where to write sk and when to write sk, that is sk, okay? S and sm, sm, s, sm, s, sm, sm, s, p, sp, sp, s, w, w, w. This, you keep two fingers here to the epiglottis and it should vibrate when you make a sound of W. So it is s, w, s, 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 w, s. So this we call it as S blend. Now we will do the next family blends, that is R blends.